everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very simple, easy and tasty Mathri recipe. In typical Punjabi we call it Mathiya. The ingredients I'm going to use: all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, ajwain, which is carom seed, baking powder, vegetable oil, kasuri methi, warm water. I always list my ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. And let's get started. Get a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, which is maida. Add salt, black pepper, and carom seed, ajwain, and kasuri methi. Mix it well. Once all the spices and kasuri methi are nicely combined with the all-purpose flour, add vegetable oil. And we're going to now mix it well. Now we need to use both hands. So make sure your hands are really clean. And we're going to grab it and we're going to massage it like this. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely mixed with oil. So keep doing it. So as you see, this is what the consistency you need. The all-purpose flour looks like this. This is what we are looking. You don't want to add too much oil. Add baking powder. After adding baking powder, we're going to mix it again. Now we're going to add water. Add water slowly. We're going to make a dough now. We're going to make a dough, and the dough should be exactly like, you know how we make for the rotis, for the chapatis. We would need the same kind of consistency. As I mentioned earlier, I list my ingredient list on the description. Ingredient list quantity, please check it out. So I'll add a little more water. We added a half cup, a little bit more, and mix it well. So we're going to keep kneading the dough. So this is how it looks. Our dough is ready, and let it sit on a countertop for half an hour. The dough has been rested for half an hour. Now we're going to roll this dough into like this. I'm just going to cut in the middle. I'm going to use my lazy Susan. So once we roll out dough like this, now we're going to get a knife and we're going to cut like small size. You can make it bigger or whatever size you like. Grab each one of them, then you just press it like this. And as you see, so this is our Mathiya. You press it like this. So you give a shape like this. Even you can grab this and you can press it like this. Whatever easier for you. So you see, I'll show you. This is you can make a smaller one. You can make it bigger. Whatever you like. We roll it out again. So I'll keep continuing doing that same thing like this. Keep making Mathiya like this. So I'll finish up this one and I'll do the same thing with this one as well. I'm almost done with the Mathiya. This one doesn't take that long. The oil is heated up and now we're going to deep fry these. Let's go to our fryer and start making these delicious Mathiya. As you see, our Mathiya is all ready and we're going to fry these. So be careful when you are dropping in, don't burn yourself. As you see, they started to fry. Once they are nicely golden brown, then we're going to pull these out. One more indication, as you've seen, is as they start cooking, they start to float. We're going to wait until they are changes the color. As you see, it's nicely done. This is the color what I'm looking for. And we're going to let the oil drain. Next to the fryer, I have a plate ready with the paper towel on it, so that any extra oil it can soak in. There's no more oil. We place in the plate. Now we're going to start doing the second batch. So I'll finish the same way. This is the last batch. So many mathiyas, and these are very crispy. This is what you need. Crispiness, crunchy, and if I can eat it, so good. Very delicious. Mathiya is all ready. As you've seen it, it's so easy to make. And these are super tasty and super crunchy. Please try it and you're going to like it. So this is one of the best appetizers. You can use this one any time of the day. And this is best with cup of tea or cup of coffee. So please try and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.